Your favorite coffee is just a conversation away. With DrivePay in the Tata Sierra.ev, ordering coffee becomes completely seamless with an intelligent voice interaction and UPI-enabled payments.
Welcome to Blue Tokai Coffee Roasters. Would you like a coffee or a refreshing drink?
Can you get me a cappuccino?
I'll go with a cappuccino with regular milk, which was your preference last time. Does that sound good?
No, I want oat milk.
Okay, I've added a cappuccino with oat milk to your cart. Your total is rupees 263.
Perfect.
Your order at Nibam is placed, and the payment of rupees 263 is being processed through DrivePay. Your Blue Tokai order of rupees 263 is confirmed for takeaway at Nibam. Thank you and enjoy.
DrivePay securely completes the payment through UPI and instantly generates your order ID, ready for a seamless pickup experience at the cafe.
Tata.tv